new paint, fixing the windowsill, and finishing the outdoor shower. It's another renovation video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Rose, my pronouns are she, her, and this is our renovation series where we fix up our 120-year-old fisherman's cottage near the beach. By this point, the builders had left and we are finishing a lot of different projects around the house and in the garden as well. So let's hop back to the beginning of May. Hello, good morning. I have a big headache after a visit with my parents, but we are doing housework, so I am currently cleaning the frame, the window frame, and then I'm going to paint it finally so that this part of the house is also done. Let's do it.
1 hour later.
I finally finished all the preparations, including like tape and cleaning all the things and sanding a little bit the window frames. And now I have to go to my manual therapist who's gonna hopefully help with my headache. So I don't know if I can even start painting yet. But my boyfriend did bring paint supplies. 1.5 hours later, I was back home, still feeling headachy, but I decided to just try it and see what happens with the painting. This brush was very cheap, by the way. It's really bad. You can't see it very well because we were just painting it white, but it is turning slightly lighter. And since it was a nice warm day, I was able to open the windows to paint everything in one go and let it dry with the windows open as well. My boyfriend finished, finally, the outdoor shower, which was a lot of work, but he unfortunately found out that our water pressure is not enough to have the huge head, or whatever you call it, shower head. Oh, huh? There's nothing coming here, only in the front. Interesting.
Het is gewoon waar het eruit doet.
Ah! Van de zwaartekracht.
Ja.
Oké, dus als je hem steviger vasthangt, dan komt het wel overal. Still looks pretty cool though, it's working. You did that. Maxer! Hey! Kom eens. Hi! 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 We were doing lots of different tasks at the same time. Here we are putting kit, I don't know the word for that, but like glue, but really strong, on top of the toilet cabinet thingy to then be able to stick this beautiful wooden plank on top. It is the same as that we used in other parts of the house. It was a little leftover piece and it looks so much better finished. And that evening I painted the second layer on the window frames, so they were finally all done. I started the next morning by taking the tape off. Here's some nice ASMR for you. I think our paint is here. It's coming in a huge truck. Hey! The paint just arrived. Look! Whoa! Let's see. We bought some more things yesterday, like little brackets for shelves there, and a little shelf to go there. But first, let's check if this is connected. Wait, I need 2 hands. We used these 2 heavy plant pots to hold down the piece of wood. It looks like the glue worked. Look at how pretty. So much better. Wow, what a difference. And this thing as well, once we have made shelves for all this stuff. Now, the most important part. Oops, I can't see when I'm also filming. Here we go. My beautiful King of Spades that is making a inflorescence. Has a ton of leaves. Gets to live on there. Another behind the scenes project that my boyfriend worked on. What? Are these amazing handmade shoe racks. So handy right next to our back door. Wee, lekker bezig, poepie. That means good job, lovely. Look at him, so proud. My boyfriend has dubbed today Installation Day because we've prepared a lot of things, but now we are installing them because it was supposed to rain. But it's not raining yet. Look, our little shelf is coming now.
We actually bought a shelf.
We bought a shelf!
Which is damaged.
Oh nee! It's damaged.
We just put a plant on it.
So nice! Whoa! Perfect! I don't know if this is what we had in mind. My boyfriend said it does match, so I think the Jacqueline plant wanted to match its pot. Maybe I should give it a green pot instead. Maybe this one. Very cute. Ooh, sadly, that doesn't fit. That does fit. Oh, although that's not getting enough light. It will be a different plant in there. Maybe a little fern, begonia. Oh, I have a nice begonia. Wait, look at this stunning begonia. This is perfect. Do you like it for the bathroom?
I like it.
I like it, mate.
I like it a little bit.
A few minutes later.
This is what the windowsill looked like after being in use for a while. See all the watermarks? Here as well, there's a lot because I'm not very precise with watering. When we took it out, I saw the back, which looks like this. Ignore these marks, but look how beautiful that is. So now I'm going to sand it, the other side, and then paint it with something. Oh, Mickey! Hi! Inspector Mickey, making sure that I do everything right so that it's gonna look this nice again, and then we're gonna put something on to keep it looking this nice. Editing this in fall, seeing myself in the garden in shorts with all the beautiful flowers in the background. Now it's rainy and gloomy outside. See all that dust coming off? That was more than I expected. So I grabbed one of my boyfriend's respirator masks and that worked a lot better. Even outside, it didn't feel really nice to just be in that chaos with my face.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It felt super soft after sanding. Unfortunately, I didn't get all the watermarks out. Then I got my boyfriend's compressor so that I could blow away the dust, almost hurting a plant in the process. Look at how much dust came off. That was very effective. Boyfriend is testing whitewash to see if we like this as a cover. Do you like it? We don't want it to go all yellow like upstairs. Used to be. Actually, we don't have that anymore. Here's an example of what the normal, just neutral color looks like. But we want it to stay this light color, so maybe whitewash is better. Because that at least keeps the light color of the wood and not make it super, super orange. I vote for this one now. After seeing it.
Me too.
Okay. Ooh, look at this. My boyfriend got another second-hand shower head and it is much better. There's water coming all over. Is it warm? Can we go in yet? Here's an overview of the outdoor shower so far. This is the shower head. Now we have a little holdy thing for the hand shower to go on with our golden thing that was from inside. So you can take a normal shower as well, or you can rinse your feet off with that. And there are a few buttons. Don't do that, I'm right here. That's a nice one too. We got this secondhand from my mom, right?
Yep.
Oh, Maggie. And this is the rain shower. Who has a rain shower outside? That's very
warm.
fancy.
It's warm.
Let's do a quick jump forward in time. The outdoor shower is officially done. So we're going under it. Yeah. It's a little bit chilly, but the shower is warm. How nice is that? A warm shower in your tropical garden. Now let's hop back. Boyfriend also worked on this drawer that he made himself. This is the first cabinet that he's ever made fully by himself with these beautiful soft close finishings. This is what it ended up looking like. I'm not super happy. It's splotchy and weird, but yeah, weird marks from watering coming through. But at least it's a bit protected now, so let's bring it back inside. We moved it back in place, which was an exciting step in the renovation process. It felt so much more finished with it looking nice.
Yeah, bitch.
New curtains and all the paint being inspected. Oh, Maggie, so cute. My boyfriend has been working really hard.
Do it.
First on making this look nice. And then I'm making Maggie a scratching pole. And of course, it is for Mickey as well. He's our big scratcher in the family. Ja, goed! Goed zo. Dat is lekker. We also went to the garden center to buy some beautiful plants for in our new bathroom, but I will show you that in a future video. And that's it for this video. I'm sorry it's another short one, but I'm excited to get this out to you today. I couldn't add anything more because literally the next day we are breaking down the roof and then replacing it ourselves, which was the big project that we had been working towards. And then we're also going to be painting the facade at some point. So those are really big projects that didn't fit in this one video and deserved their own video, I think. I do have some slow motion bonus footage of Maggie scratching her new scratching pole, so that is after this. If you stayed here this long, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, have a wonderful Sunday or whenever you watch this, and we will see you in the next video.